Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn update and delete command. As the name update suggests, with the help of update, you can update certain data, and with the help of delete, you can delete. So let's start the video.
Let's start with the update query. Update. It is used to update the data. As I have told you earlier also, I'll give you one example. Say for I have a table, say IDs 1, 2, 3, and say for a name, let the name be Hardik, Harshit, and say Shruti. So if I want to update, say for Harshit to Pankaj, then for that purpose I need to use the update query. Or say for I want to update Shruti to Karthik, then for that purpose also I need to use the update query. I'll tell you the syntax. So the syntax of the update query would be, firstly write update, then the table name, then word set, then the uh, column, then write equal to, then put the value. After that, write the where condition. So I'll tell you one thing, if you don't put the where condition, then in that whole column the value would be set. I'll show you with that example also. Okay, now let's switch on our MySQL workbench. Put the password. So let's open one. So we'll write update, then the table name is students, then set. So which column do we need to set? For that we need to check the, let's display it first of all. So we need to change the name column, and where the name is Shruti, set name equal to Pankaj, where ID equal to 3. Error code, no database selected. Yeah, I forgot to select the database again. Let's write use database, sorry, not use database, right? Use hello. Fine, delete it, paste it again, update. See, one update has been made. There is a possibility that you might see one error over here, that okay, you are in the safe mode, you cannot make changes. So then for that error, just click on this edit button, go to the preferences. In the preferences, click on this SQL editor, scroll down, uncheck this option of save updates. After that, click on OK. And after that, remember there is one more step to, first of all, log out of the database, or you can say log out of the server, and then again log in. Then this would work. Okay, now let's check our database. See, the name of Shruti has been changed to Pankaj. So if, as I told you also, if we don't use this condition thing, before that I'll tell you one more thing, that is in one, if we want to change it for a certain group, we can write 2 comma 3. Okay, now run this. This has been updated. Go to this one file. See, 2 and 3, the name of the 2 and 3 ID has been changed to Pankaj. Now, as I told you earlier, that if you don't put this condition, then everybody's name would be updated to Pankaj only. See, let's run this one. Yeah, see, all are Pankaj now. So this is the thing. Remember to always write the where condition. Okay. Now let's come back. So this was actually the update query. Now let's come on to the delete one. So delete, it is used to delete certain, sorry, certain data from the table. Okay. Now in this, again we need to write the syntax. I'll tell you the syntax. The syntax here would be delete, then table name, table name, then write the keyword where. Again, where condition is necessary, otherwise all the data would be deleted. I'll show you the demo also. Come back to the workbench, go in this one. Now let's do it. Delete. What is the table? Students, students where id equal to 1. Delete students where id equal to 1. It is giving some kind of an error. Where is not valid at this position excepting. Okay, sorry. Delete from students. Yeah, I forgot the word from. Okay, this has been deleted. Now let's check it. See, id1 has been deleted. So this is the way by which you can delete the entries. Okay, then again you can use the keyword in also if you want to, but then again it would delete the certain entries, which I would prefer to not delete it now because I want to use it later also. So yeah, but if you want, you can try it in your PC, it will get deleted. So this would be for the delete query. Yeah, remember to put this from, I forgot to put it. Yeah, so this is the basic syntax of delete query. So that's all for this video. We'll meet you in the next one. Thank you.